professional boxing.
So magandang araw sa ating lahat mga kaboksing. Bago ang laban bukas ni former 2 Division at former Unified Boxing World Champion na si Marlon Tapales sa bansang Japan kontra kay Yukinori Ogoni, ay balikan muna natin ang naging pinakahuling laban ni Marlon Tapales. At ito ay kontra kay Fernando Turo ng Venezuela. Start of round 1 po tayo mga kaboksing. Ang labang ito ay naganap po noong nakaraang taon, October 29, 2025 sa Araneta Coliseum. At ito ay undercard sa laban ni Melvin Jerusalem kontra kay Kusi ng South Africa. At ito ay naganap sa 58th anniversary ng Trilla in Manila. Good right coming from Tapales. Yun. Tumama po ang kanyang right punch. Another good left coming from Marlon Tapales.
Another one of our featured fights here for the Thrilla Manila.
Mukhang tinamaan po doon si Tapales at mukhang na-out balance siya ng kaunti doon. At ito at kino-corner po siya ng kanyang kalaban. Good left uppercut coming from Tapales. Although sinusugod po siya ay nadepensahan niya ang kanyang sarili dahil sa kanyang mga mabibigat na counter punches. So mas maliit po dito itong si Fernando Turo. Mas maliit po ang katawan at mas matangkad ang ating kababayan. At di hamak po na mas may laman po ang katawan nitong si Marlon Tapales. Good to the body by Fernando Turo. At ito, umaarangkada po si Turo. Oy! It was a good one-two combination coming from Marlon Tapales. At ito po, napaatras po at tinamaan ng matinding left hand itong si Fernando Turo. Mukhang nasaktan po at mukhang nawala ng tamang balanse itong si Fernando Turo. Grabe po, round 1 pa lang ay grabe po ang kanilang palitan ng mga kamao. Another one good one to combination coming from Marlon Tapales.
You watch his left hand. That's his killer punch. Once he throws that left, stop! Hold your back! You might be in dreamland.
So bukas mga kaboksing ay lalabanan po ni Tapales itong veteran boxer na Hapon na si Yukinori Ogoni. So bukas po yun, April 3, 2026. Abangan nyo po yan dito sa ating Facebook page at dito sa ating YouTube channel. Kaya naman ay ating babalikan itong pinakahuling laban ni Tapales. It was end of round 1 mga kaboksing.
So to end round number 1. Sails out. Hey, sails out. When he felt the power of Marlon.
Start of round 2 tayo mga kaboksing. So sa round 1 po ay malinaw po na nakuha po ni Tapales ang round na yon. Tumanggap po dito si Fernando Turo ng malalakas na mga kombinasyon galing sa ating kababayan. Bago ang laban mga kaboksing, itong si former world champion Marlon Tapales ay may professional boxing record ito na mayroong 4 na pong panalo, may 4 na talo at may 21 panalo by way of knockout. Samantalang itong si Venezuelan boxer na si Fernando Toro ay may professional boxing record ito na mayroong 11 panalo, may 2 talo at may 9 na panalo by way of knockout. So medyo may lakas din po itong kanyang Venezuelan boxer na kalaban ni Tapales. So ingat din dito ang ating kababayan. At sa round 1 nga ay tinamaan po si Tapales at medyo na outbalance ito ng kaunti. At itong laban ay 10 rounds bout ito, isang non-title bout sa super bantamweight division. Good job coming from Marlon Tapales. Beautiful left coming from Tapales.
Not too much of a difference here in terms of reach. Definitely Tapales.
So si Fernando Toro po ay
Toro's corner.
combination po ng kulay black at white trunks ang suot. Itong si Tapales po ay
Toro's corner.
camouflage po itong kanyang short, itong kanyang trunks
Instructions going to the
at may kombinasyong kulay itim. Good counter right hand coming from Fernando Toro. Gumanti naman si Tapales ng kanyang malakas na kanan. Again, tumama po ang straight
another one.
right hand ni Tapales.
That's straight off.
Left hand ni Tapales.
That's his nightmare punch. That's why they call it the nightmare. But right now,
So, paatras-atras po si Fernando Toro. Mukhang naramdaman niya dito ang power ng ating kababayan. It was a good 1-2 combination coming from Marlon Tapales. Ibinato po ni Tapales ang kanyang kaliwa at sinundan po ng kanan na tumama po parehas sa mukha ng kanyang kalaban.
Toro is quick to get out of the range. Hero.
So ito at paatras-atras po at naglalateral movement po itong kanyang kalaban. It was end of round 2 mga kaboksing.
his eyes, he's
Second
very
shot.
focused. I don't know if it's a worried look or a focused look.
Start of round 3 po tayo mga kaboksing.
He's felt the power of the
So round 2 dalawang rounds pa lang ang nakakaraan pero mukhang
Now, in round number 2,
grabe na po ang tinanggap na punishment nitong si Fernando Toro.
now he's fighting the palace straight up.
That might not be a good.
Good right coming from Fernando Toro. Ayun, nag-counter po si Tapales doon ng right hand at tumama po kay Fernando Toro.
Right jabs,
At mukhang natigilan doon si Fernando Toro.
because it looks like
Good
moving in.
right to the body coming from Toro.
So the palace has to fend him off with the right jab.
Good counter again coming from Tapales.
Scoring once again.
It was a beautiful right hand. So ingat po itong ating kababayan din dahil may lakas din po itong Venezuelan boxer.
Minute gone here in the third.
Make Toro focus on slinging that right jab so that his right side is open for a left hand coming from the palace.
Good job coming from Marlon Tapales.
More right jabs coming from the palace.
So itong si Fernando Toro ay may 11 panalo
Focus on that right
at may 9
so he
na tinalo by way of knockout. So may lakas din po itong si Fernando Toro.
Toro is within range.
Hindi rin ito easy fight para sa ating kababayan. Good to the body and to the head coming from Marlon Tapales.
The palace doing a good job now, using that jab,
I think kontrolado ni Tapales ngayon ang round na ito.
preserving his left.
At another good right coming from Marlon Tapales.
Once he's closer, then he'll throw that left hand.
So, ang problema kay Toro ay hindi niya ma-penetrate ang depensa ni Marlon Tapales.
The instructions from Toro's corner. Move.
Good left again coming from Tapales.
Moving. Go side to side.
So, lamang po ang ating kababayan sa haba ng kamay. At ito po ang isa sa dahilan kung bakit tinatamaan ng maganda ni Tapales itong kanyang kalaban.
From either fighter.
Good job coming from Tapales. Ayun, it was a good exchange. Pero I think mas malakas po ang tumamang suntok na kaliwa galing kay Marlon Tapales.
You throw that left.
Wala pa pong bumabagsak sa kabila ng matitinding kamao na binibitawan ng dalawang boksingero.
Tapales.
End of round 4 ay 3 mga kaboksing.
Solid.
On the exchange.
Start of round 4 po tayo mga kaboksing. So sa round 3 po, it was another good round for Marlon Tapales. Good job coming from Tapales.
Tapales.
Malakas po ang binitawang jab ni
What he needs to do.
Tapales. It was a right jab
Tapales went left round.
na tumama sa mukha nitong kanyang kalaban. Good to the body coming from Fernando Toro.
It is chance.
So I think kailangan ni Toro yung
But that was
close range na bakbakan.
10th round.
Pero hindi niya po ito makuha-kuha dahil matindi po at nakabantay po ang depensa ni Tapales.
Always been
Mukhang nadulas po doon itong si Fernando Toro.
the blue corner. Exactly. That happened in one of the earlier bouts. There were two slips.
Good to the body by Tapales.
Minute gone. You're in the fourth round.
Good to the body coming from Fernando Toro. Tumama po ang kanyang kanang suntok sa katawan ni Tapales. Yun dapat ang gawin ni Toro, yung pasok-pasukin
The time is
ang depensa ni Tapales. I-break po ang distansya. Yan.
Missing there.
Kaya po, doon lang papasok ang mga... Ayun, tinamaan po ng mga counter punches na naman sa ulo at sa katawan itong si Fernando Toro. Another good right hand coming from Tapales. It was a left hook, right hook, I mean. Good uppercut coming from Tapales.
He's picking his spots.
Grabe po ang punishment na tinatanggap ni Fernando Toro dito.
this guy's a top.
Pero sa tingin ko mga kaboksing ay mukhang kaya namang dalhin ni Toro itong malalakas
Going away.
na mga kamao ni
He's using side to side.
Marlon Tapales. Good to the body coming from Fernando Toro.
And he continues to come.
Yun nga kailangan pasukin ni Fernando Toro ang depensa ni Tapales. I-break niya ang distansya
He's actually only
at makipaglaban siya ng close range. Ang problema po ay hindi niya matimingan ang mga counter punches nitong ating kababayan. Ibinababa pa niya ang kanyang depensa.
he's also coming up
Kaya swak na swak po ang
over.
dagaya nun. Isang matinding right hook counter ang tumama galing sa ating kababayan. Mababa po ang depensa nitong
Solid round.
Venezuelan boxer. Kaya swak na swak pong tumatama ang hooks nitong ating kababayan. It was end of round 4.
Boxing Association. Second round. Araneta Coliseum. We're coming to you here on the BTV Sports Network.
Start of round 5.
Social media channels.
So sa previous round, another dominant performance coming from ating kababayan na si Marlon Tapales.
I want to thank Senator Manny Pacquiao, the world's only 8 division world boxing champion, a boxing Hall of Famer.
So
It was his vision.
itinigil po ang laban saglit. Ayun, nakalimutan po ang mouth guard nitong Venezuelan na boxer na si Fernando Toro.
Just fix the
Good exchange. Good one-two combination coming from Fernando Toro.
again, Toro picking up the aggressiveness here.
So ito ang ginagawa ni Toro ngayon, naglalateral movement siya, which is tama naman ang kanyang ginagawa. Kasi ang nangyayari po, yun. Good one-two combination coming from Fernando Toro. Tumama po yun sa mukha ni Tapales. Good again. 1-2-3 combination coming from Fernando Toro. Good uppercut coming sa ating kababayan. Gumanti din naman itong si Fernando Toro ng kanyang uppercut, pero hindi po tumama. So yun, tama po ang ginagawa nitong si Fernando Toro, ang maglateral movement para maiwasan niya itong mga suntok ni Tapales. Kasi ang nangyayari kanina sa previous round, kulang siya ng counter lateral movement. Tinatamaan po siya, very easy po ang pagtama ni Tapales. So ito, mukhang nakuha ni Fernando Toro ang distansya dito. Tumatama po siya sa kanyang mga suntok. Oy! Another good right coming from Marlon Tapales. Sa panga po yun, ano? At ito, matibay nga itong si Fernando Toro.
Still trying to come forward is Toro.
Good uppercut. At it was a good left uppercut at sinundan po ng malakas na right hand coming from Tapales.
This guy's a tough guy. He's not
So kanina ay medyo nakukuha ni Fernando Toro ang distansya. Tumatama po ang kanyang mga counter punches at kombinasyon.
some big shot. Big.
Pero ngayon, mukhang ayun. It was a good left.
He was coming in.
Yun. Gumanti din naman si Toro ng 1-2 combination. So mukhang nasira muli ang diskarte ni
Like a sledge.
Fernando Toro
This guy down.
sa round na ito. Sa unang bahagi ng round na ito, ay tumatama po ng maganda si Toro. So it was end of round 5, mga kaboksing.
Tapales. So the action once again. Look at that uppercut there, connecting it. Then the right.
Well, what Marlon Tapales is showing you is that he's a two-fisted knockout puncher. He's not relying on just his left to a lot of damage.
Start of round 6 po tayo, mga kaboksing.
Hey, Wolf,
At
possibly
it was sa previous rounds, from the opening bell sa round 1,
down the road.
ay magaganda po ang mga patama ni Marlon Tapales.
Challenging.
Again, it was a good right job coming from Tapales. So grabe po ang tinatanggap na punishment nitong si Fernando Toro. May mala konkretong panga ito at hindi pa bumagsak.
Marlon has given it. And continue to come forward.
Good uppercut coming from Tapales to the body. So tingnan natin sa round 6.
Tapales' defense is almost impregnable.
Good to the body coming from Tapales. Another good right hook
Nudging him.
coming from Tapales at walang sagot si Fernando Toro doon, Ayun, 1-2 to the body.
Almost almost left himself
galing kay Marlon.
with a counter.
At kumounter po itong si Fernando Toro ng kanyang kanang suntok
He's not backing down.
na tumama naman sa mukha ng ating kababayan.
But he needs to score with some punches here.
Grabe po ang tibay nitong sa Fernando Toro. So ngayon mukhang pinupukpok po ng malalakas na mga suntok ni Tapales itong kanyang kalaban.
He wants to bring the crowd to its feet.
Another good left coming from Tapales. At wala pong sagot si Fernando Toro doon. Good to the body. Mukhang mababa daw po ang suntok ni Tapales.
For a little bit of a low blow. And the referee giving Toro.
At ito, nakakapagpahinga po si Fernando Toro
Warning has been
dahil sa mababang suntok ni Tapales.
He's shrugging it off. Actually allowed as much as
Alright.
minutes to recover from the foul blow.
Good left coming from Marlon Tapales at napatras doon si Toro. Another good counter. Oh, naku po. Ayun! 1, 2, 3 combination. Dalawa sa katawan at isang right hook na tumama sa panga ng Venezuelan boxer at ayun nga at hindi na po nakatayo. So naramdaman na po at I think it was a very hard punishment na tinatanggap ni Fernando Toro. Grabe po napakatibay nitong si Toro. From opening round po sa round 1, grabe po ang mga suntok at mga punishment na tinatanggap nito galing kay Marlon Tapales. Pero sa round 6 lang po bumagsak itong si Fernando Toro.
And after a while, he's in.
Tinamaan po ito ng 1-2 combination sa katawan at nag-follow up si Marlon Tapales ng malakas na right hand sa ulo ng nitong Venezuelan boxer. I think sa panga din po yung tumama. So ito ang replay. Kita nyo
Look at that right hand.
1-2 combination at itinapon nyo, binitawan niya ang kanyang malakas
What's in the left?
na right hand sa mukha nitong si Fernando Toro. Ayun, sa panganga po tumama. At nawalan po ng balanse at napaluhod at hindi na nagawang makabangon nitong si Fernando Toro. So pakinggan po natin ang formal
There's another,
na declaration ng pagkapanalo
but he actually is a brother.
ng ating kababayan na si Marlon Tapales.
Came to do Fraser Jr. in honor of his father. And send it over to ring announcer Bobby Wondehar.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time 2 minutes and 31 seconds of the 6th round. Winner by knockout, Marlon Tapales.
So ayun, panalo po by way of knockout sa round 6 itong ating kababayan na si Marlon Tapales. So abangan po natin ang kanyang laban bukas, April 3 sa bansang Japan kontra kay Yukinori Ogoni. So mukhang may pag-asa naman itong ating kababayan na manalo. Nakita nyo naman napakaganda po ng kanyang pinakahuling performance sa labang ito na atin napanood. So abangan nyo po ang laban ni Marlon Tapales bukas dito sa ating YouTube channel at sa ating Facebook page, Hinirang Sports TV. So maraming salamat, hanggang dito na lamang tayo.
Super bantamweight champ.
Para sa mga classic fight at latest boxing updates, mag-subscribe lang po kayo sa Hinirang Sports TV.